Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp notification not working on iPhone in iOS 16.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Check for WhatsApp notification setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap notification. Scroll down, tap WhatsApp. Turn on allow notification. Select lock screen, notification center, banners. Tap show previous. Select when unlocked. Then go back. Tap WhatsApp notification setting. Turn on message notification. Turn on group notifications. And turn on show previous. Solution number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap general on the general page. Scroll down. Tap transfer or reset iPhone. Tap reset. Tap reset network setting. Enter your passcode. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Disable Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Click on Do Not Disturb mode. Turn off Do Not Disturb mode. Thanks for watching this video.